Today we'll talk about how can you disable comments notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on social activity, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to comments, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going that's mean comments notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.